This 2023 Jayco Seismic Luxury Series 4113 double slide, 1.5 bath, 2 patio decks is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Jayco is 45 feet 7 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, skylight, TV, slideout, self-contained, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Jayco Seismic Luxury Series 4113 double slide, 1.5 bath, 2 patio decks is 16,823 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.